Fuel right, feel right. The power of protein in your day. Hi there. Let's talk about something simple, effective, and transformative. How fueling your body with the right nutrients, especially protein, can unlock energy, focus, and resilience. The role of protein in your life. Protein is the building block of your body. From repairing muscles to supporting your immune system, protein powers everything you do. Whether you're an athlete, a busy professional, or someone looking to feel their best, mastering your protein intake can make a world of difference. Why? Because protein doesn't just keep you full. It provides the essential amino acids your body needs to repair, recover, and thrive. It's not just food, it's fuel. Common pitfalls. So, what happens when we skip protein or underfuel in the morning? You've probably been there. Mid-morning cravings, afternoon energy crashes, and that feeling of being off. That's your body signaling for better support. Starting your day without the right fuel sets the stage for fatigue, irritability, and poor recovery. And we don't want that. Fuel smart. The simple formula. Here's the good news. It's easier than you think to master your protein. Follow these 3 simple tips. Prioritize protein at breakfast. Swap the sugary cereals or just coffee mornings for eggs, Greek yogurt, or a quick protein shake. Starting strong sets the tone for your day. Balance your plate. Every meal is an opportunity. Pair lean proteins, like chicken, tofu, or fish, with healthy fats and whole grains to keep energy steady. Snack strategically. Instead of grabbing chips or candy, reach for a handful of nuts, a hard-boiled egg, or even a protein bar. Small changes add up. The big payoff. Here's the thing. When you fuel right, you feel right. You'll notice steady energy, fewer cravings, better focus, and even improved mood. And if you're into fitness, your recovery will thank you too. So whether you're chasing a fitness goal, juggling a busy schedule, or just want to feel better, remember, master your protein, master your life. It's that simple, it's that effective. And you've got this. Outro. Thanks for listening today. If this resonated with you, take one small action. Plan your next meal with protein in mind. Small steps lead to big changes. Until next time, fuel right and feel amazing.